Hi guys and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and this is a secret craft room. Today's project is a fast and easy one. We will be making a spider web using black metal wire. Don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up if you like it. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I am going to use 3mm and 1mm aluminum wire as well as this really thin metal wire. I used the thickest wire for the straight pieces. Since I love whimsical touches, I decided to add swirls at the ends. I used the thinnest wire to attach the two pieces together. I also added a little dab of super glue as reinforcement. Next I used the 1mm aluminum wire to create the rounded parts. I did a total of 4 rows of this. To secure everything, I used my pliers and pinched where the thinner wire was wrapped around the thicker one. Since aluminum wire is very soft, it sort of squishes the wires together and locks it in place. I plan to use mine in my windows, but since it's hard to film in windows, I decided to add them to a mirror for the video. I used double-sided tape to attach them to the glass. Don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.